I love my DEWALT 20V Max impact driver. This drill is an absolute game changer. Compatible with all of my 20 volt DEWALT batteries. My favorite part about it is the interchangeable bit setting. I can't tell you how efficiently I can move between what I need for any project that I'm getting into. I have a few examples laid out here, a couple extended bits, and then a couple of the shorter bits, star bits, smaller bits, smaller star bits, even a Phillips, just to show you examples. Very compatible with my DEWALT extender. For example, I can show you my Tapcon here. And just as a very, very quick indication of the quick release, I can move right in to my Phillips head for more of a drywall nail. This makes all the difference for me. Highly recommend.